A stain is never just a stain. It's a combination of different contaminants, and each one needs its own chemistry. Organic contaminations are the most common. Some examples are sugars, proteins, sweat, skin oil, food oils. These bind tightly to the fibers and form a sticky film that can't be removed with APCs and degreasers. This is why enzymes matter. They break down organic contamination so the seats can actually be cleaned and not just lightened. Inorganics are minerals, road salt, sand, dust, mud. These sit deep in the weave and cause rough spots, stiffness, and reappearing dirty patches. Only acids can truly break these down properly, not APCs or degreasers. Petroleum and mechanical contaminations. These are greases, mechanical oils, lotions, sunscreen, adhesive, anything non-polar. APCs don't touch these, enzymes don't touch these, but a small amount of degrease will hit these, and only these. This one nobody talks about. Residue from APCs, alkaline cleaners, shampoos, dressings, past detailers. This residue forms a coating on the fibers. It holds down the dirt and it changes how the fabric dries. This is why seats feel crunchy, stains come back, and fibers look shiny under a microscope.